Kani kedai ke Bathymmai TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Meghalaya Cricket Association ka bala penlong ya kejinyalang Bathymmai ya kinongkit kam ha ka arpun riu tarik unai lor arjar khat kendai kala Jied yu Dani Marak ba un shimti kumu Presiden Bathymmai Jong kani kaseng ka ba pet ya kejinyalak kai ha ka jela Meghalaya. Hagani kejinyalang Bathymmai ya kinongkit kam ka bala long hanong ba Shillong la Jied ru ya ba dipul rintathyang kumu Vice President uba Gideon L. Karkongor kumu Honorary Secretary, u Chiang Di Shira kumu Joint Secretary, u Dhruba Jyoti Thakuria kumu Honorary Treasurer, bat uba Arwat Ki Sumer kumu Member Jonga Councillor Apex Council.
It is another happy occasion today that we have elected a new Apex Council. Earlier it was known as Executive Body. But now we have amended our constitution as per the guidelines of the Honorable Supreme Court based on the reforms agenda submitted by Justice R.M. Lodha in 2017. So Meghalaya was one of the first states, among the first 6 states to register our new constitution, and we were thus a compliant state, compliant with the reforms of the Lodha Commission. And subsequently we had our election process. We started in July. Mr. Prashant Naik was appointed by BCCI as per the recommendation of Meghalaya Cricket Association, since he was the former CEO holding the post for almost 18-19 years in Meghalaya. And he conducted the elections. Yesterday, prior to the elections, we had our general body meeting, and the Honorary Secretary's report is here. It's a brief report which was compiled of our activities for the year 2015-16 to 2018-19. From now on, we'll have a 9-member Apex Council. Out of that, elections are to be held for 6 posts, that is President, Vice President, Honorary Secretary, Honorary Joint Secretary, Honorary Treasurer, and Council Member. Council Member is all the districts together send one representative. So this is the 6th. The 7th member, we will be writing, the new committee will write to the Accountant General. He will send one representation, number 7. Then this new body will recommend and select one player, ex-player, because present player also can be included, 8 male and 1 player female. So that will make up the 9-member Apex Council of Meghalaya Cricket Association. We have worked, and last year was a defining period for Meghalaya Cricket Association because we could get the full member status, playing Ranji. So the previous committee headed by Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, we did our job, but the challenge lies ahead. A lot needs to be done. We have done whatever we could, and personally, I was also inducted into the BCCI, leading the all northeastern states. So all the 6 states were given full membership as the coordinating member of NADP. So we had our work, we had our challenges, we had our struggles. We tried to do our work in the best committed way. We had succeeded in some areas maybe still not to be done. But now the challenge lies ahead. And I am very happy that we have a very good team which has been elected. Now our President Conrad Sangma, myself, Reynold and Eddie, we decided not to seek re-election in deference to the spirit of the Lodha Commission. We respect the law, so we decided. Other states, people are going ahead on some grey areas are there. but we have also filed a petition that our full membership and tenure should be counted from 2018 because we got full membership from 2018.
Due to their hardworking and tirelessly, honestly, sincerely, they work for the MCA to have reached this level. And now, for the new committee, we have to keep up their good work. We'll work for the betterment of cricket in Meghalaya. And I will request all my newly elected members also to work sincerely for betterment of cricket in Meghalaya, and at the same time the outgoing members also, the outgoing secretaries, the vice presidents and other members also, to extend their cooperation and help to us so that we can work together and Meghalaya cricket will.
My love and passion is always for cricket, where I was a player for many, many years. For once I thought that I would take a rest, but then the other officials did not want that and has put me again in this great responsibility of honorary secretary and also taking the place of a giant of Mr. Nawa Bashchaji. So you can understand the expectation and the role that we have to play, because the outgoing members have done marvelous work. Cricket today in the state has reached to this level is because of their labor. Assistance and support is always required, and we also have representative from other districts here. We have also some former members. So collectively we can always work for the betterment of cricket here in the state. With 2018 being a landmark for us to play the BCCI tournament, and you must have seen how the state has performed in these various tournaments, and I'll tell you that we are no less than many states. Many states have played cricket for many, many years. So therefore I see no reason why Meghalaya cannot come and compete at the highest level. We have a lot of work, a lot of spade work to do, right from getting grounds at different districts, getting our grassroots level, which is the utmost priority of the body now, of looking to the ground. You must have seen the improvement of ground here in Shillong and also at Tura. Then we also have the home ground this time at Mongoldoy and at Assam Valley. So with all these infrastructure, we just hope that cricket in the state will grow in leaps and bounds.